The Leica Q series has always sparked curiosity and debate among photographers. Should you buy the current model or wait for the next release? That question has gained urgency as attention shifts from the highly praised Q3 to the anticipated Leica Q4. Traditionally, Leica has followed a steady 4-year release schedule for its Q series, but with rapid advancements in technology and increasing competition from other brands, many speculate the Q4 could arrive earlier than expected. If it does, it promises to be one of the most exciting camera launches in recent memory. The original Leica Q, launched in 2015, was a game-changer. Leica combined its long-standing tradition of craftsmanship with modern imaging innovation, producing a compact full-frame camera that felt luxurious yet practical. Pairing a full-frame sensor with a fixed 28mm lens was unconventional, but it offered photographers stunning image quality with that unmistakable Leica character. It struck a balance between simplicity and performance, appealing to both professionals and enthusiasts who wanted Leica quality without the bulk of a traditional interchangeable lens system. The Q2 continued this trajectory, introducing a 47-megapixel sensor, improved weather sealing, and refined ergonomics for better handling. Leica demonstrated that a compact camera could deliver world-class performance without compromise. The Q3 further pushed the envelope with a 60-megapixel backside illuminated sensor, advanced phase detection autofocus, and 8K video recording. It blurred the lines between stills and video, appealing to hybrid creators while maintaining the classic Leica experience. With rumors of the Q4 circulating, expectations are higher than ever. Leica has historically favored refinement over radical redesign, but in today's competitive market, innovation is essential. Leaks suggest the Q4 could feature a stacked CMOS sensor, which would drastically improve readout speed, dynamic range, and rolling shutter performance. Such a sensor could bring Leica's compact camera technology in line with high-end mirrorless cameras. A stacked sensor would also enhance video performance, providing smoother recording, faster autofocus, and reduced lag. The autofocus system is expected to receive a major upgrade, potentially incorporating eye-powered subject recognition, advanced eye and animal detection, and predictive algorithms. This would make the Q4 more reliable in fast-paced or unpredictable shooting scenarios, from street photography to low-light action shots. Video capabilities may also see substantial improvements. While the Q3 impressed with 8,000 recording, overheating during extended sessions was a limitation. The Q4 could resolve this with improved thermal management, enabling longer recording times. Higher frame rates in 4K for slow motion could also make the Q4 a true hybrid tool, capable of satisfying both photographers and videographers. Combining this technology with Leica's compact, timeless design would create a camera that rivals much larger systems, all in a portable, elegant package. Low-light performance is expected to improve as well. The 28mm f1.7 Summilux lens already performs well in dim conditions, but pairing it with a new stacked sensor and updated processing could yield cleaner images at higher ISO, more accurate colors, and enhanced shadow detail. This would make the Q4 an exceptional choice for travel, street, and documentary photographers who often work in challenging lighting. Design refinements are also anticipated. Leica's approach of evolutionary improvement suggests the Q4 will retain the understated elegance of the Q3 while introducing subtle ergonomic upgrades. A deeper grip, lighter materials, and smarter button placement could make extended shooting more comfortable, with small changes that greatly enhance the overall user experience. The electronic viewfinder could receive a major upgrade as well. The Q3 featured a 5.76 million EVF, but the Q4 might push this to a 9.44 million display with faster refresh rates, providing an even more immersive and precise view for framing and focusing. The rear screen might evolve from a tilting to a fully articulating display, appealing to vloggers and content creators. Touchscreen responsiveness and menu customization could also be improved, making interaction faster and more intuitive. Connectivity is another area expected to see updates. Faster Wi-Fi, improved Bluetooth, and tighter app integration could allow instant transfers, remote control, and smoother workflow for professionals. Enhanced tethering options could further improve usability for studio and on-location shooting. Timing and pricing remain uncertain. Following Leica's 4-year pattern, the Q4 would arrive around 2027, but some insiders speculate a release as early as late 2026. Price-wise, the Q3 launched at approximately $5,995, and with rumored enhancements, the Q4 could easily exceed $6,500, potentially approaching $7,000. Leica buyers are accustomed to premium pricing, valuing the combination of build quality, design, and the unique shooting experience the brand provides. If these rumors hold true, the Leica Q4 could redefine the compact full-frame camera market. Combining a stacked sensor, autofocus, improved video, better stabilization, and subtle ergonomic improvements, it could be a near-perfect creative tool for photographers and hybrid creators. It would satisfy those who value simplicity and control, while also appealing to modern users who demand versatility and performance in a portable camera. Excitement for the Q4 is already building worldwide, with photographers eagerly speculating about Leica's next move. If Leica continues to refine its design philosophy while embracing cutting-edge technology, the Q4 could become one of the most impressive compact full-frame cameras ever made. Whether it arrives on schedule or earlier, it's clear that the Leica Q4 has the potential to mark a new chapter in the evolution of high-performance compact photography.